Foods that can help you stop snoring while sleeping. 1. Honey. Honey is a strong antimicrobic, which is often used to treat common infections like cold. Honey soothes and opens nasal pathway, allowing the air to pass through freely. 2. Tea. A nice, warm cup of tea will help you relax while it will work its way to open blocked nose and throat. But make sure you don't drink too much or too strong tea at night, as the caffeine present in it may hamper your sleep. 3. Peppermint. This herbal leaf is replete with antispasmodic properties that reduce swelling inside the nose and throat. Drink peppermint tea before bedtime or inhale steam of boiling water with infused peppermint leaves or essential oil. 4. Garlic. Garlic possesses some inordinate anti-inflammatory properties. That's the reason people pop raw garlic cloves in the morning to steer clear from common infections. Some people also consume raw garlic at night to quash their habit of snoring. 5. Onions. Onions are stashed with antioxidants, which fight off infection-causing bacteria, keeping the nose and throat clear of congestion. 6. Turmeric milk. Turmeric is an indispensable part of our daily diet. The herb plays a great role in preventing inflammation of nasal and throat tissues. Add a teaspoon of turmeric to boiling milk and drink it warm before hitting the bed. 7. Fish. The high content of protein and fatty acids like omega-3 in fish combats the production of phlegm that blocks the nasal passage. 8. Soy milk. Soy milk should replace other kinds of dairy milk as they produce mucus and can also cause allergy to people with lactose intolerance. 9. Pineapple. This fruit is a natural decongestant and stops the nose and throat to flare up. Pineapple is also easy to digest, so can be fearlessly eaten at night after dinner.